Welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss the latest technological developments. In today's video, we'll be talking about digital twin technology, what it is, and how it's used. Digital twin technology is a concept where a virtual replica of a physical object, process, or system is created. This technology allows engineers and designers to model and simulate various scenarios and make changes before the actual physical object is built. Digital twin technology can be used in many industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation. Digital twin technology has many benefits. It can help companies save time and money by simulating and testing various scenarios before physically building an object. It can also help reduce the risk of failure by identifying potential problems early on. Furthermore, digital twin technology can help increase efficiency and productivity by monitoring and optimizing operations. One example of digital twin technology in action is in the aviation industry. Aircraft manufacturers use digital twin technology to model and simulate the behavior of aircraft parts, systems, and entire planes. This technology can help identify potential issues before they become a problem, and it can also help optimize performance and reduce maintenance costs. In the healthcare industry, digital twin technology can be used to model and simulate medical procedures and treatments. This technology can help doctors and researchers test and refine procedures before actually performing them on patients. Digital twin technology can also be used to create personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique medical history and genetic makeup. In the manufacturing industry, digital twin technology can be used to simulate and optimize production processes. This technology can help manufacturers identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies, and it can also help reduce waste and increase output. In conclusion, digital twin technology is a powerful tool that allows engineers and designers to create virtual replicas of physical objects, processes, and systems. This technology has many benefits, including reducing costs, increasing efficiency, and reducing risk. With the use of digital twin technology, companies can create better products, optimize operations, and provide better services to their customers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates in the technology world.